Greetings, I'm Dev the Developer. This lesson is about span. It is an inline container with no semantic meaning of its own. That might sound a bit underwhelming, but span is genuinely useful once you understand what it is for. You've already seen div, the generic block container. Span is its inline equivalent. It wraps around a piece of text inside a sentence or paragraph without breaking the flow. And like div, it carries no semantic meaning on its own. It's just a container. So why use it? Because it gives you something to attach CSS or JavaScript to. If you want to style one specific word in a paragraph or target a specific piece of text with a script, you need something to hook onto. Span is that hook. Think of it like putting a sticky note on a specific word in a printed document. The word is still part of the sentence, still in the same flow, but now you have a way to reference it specifically. As a quick disclaimer, span by default has absolutely no style changes. So Glitch added some CSS styling to show how span could be used for styling. Without styling, the rendered output would be completely unremarkable. Those class attributes on the span elements are the hook. CSS can say style everything with the highlight class this way. JavaScript can say find all the elements with the highlight class and do this. Neither would be possible without something to grab onto. So when should you reach for it? Span is the right choice when you need an inline container and no semantic tag fits the content. If one of the tags we have covered, EM, strong, code, abbreviations, and so on, accurately describe the nature of the content, use that tag instead. Span is the fallback, not the first choice. There are some good use cases. Applying a color or style to a specific word or phrase that has no semantic special meaning, or wrapping an icon character inside text so it can be positioned or styled independently, or adding a class or ID that JavaScript needs to target that item. A common mistake is using span because it is convenient when a more meaningful tag exists. If text is code, use code. If it is emphasized, use EM. Span does not hurt anything, but reaching for it immediately means you might be leaving something useful semantically out of the document. One more use case worth mentioning. If you need to give a specific piece of inline text a unique identifier, you can add an ID attribute to a span. JavaScript can then target that exact element directly to do things like dynamically updating a piece of text in a countdown, a score, or a live data display. Span is an inline generic container. No semantic meaning, no visual effect by itself. Its value is in giving CSS and JavaScript something to target within a run of text. Use it when no semantic inline tag fits the content. When one does fit, use that instead. Span is a capable fallback, and knowing when to reach for it separates well-structured pages from ones that just work. Don't just watch it. Do it.